And I want to tell the head of state and the Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga that if we continue with this trend we've seen today of digitalization of things, that members have not logged in, the clerks of the assembly and the IT department have decided to log in members with their names and voted for members. 88. My phone, I switched off my phone on Monday and I wanted to know if these people are really true. And this Mutura guy, Speaker of Nairobi County Assembly, we just elected him last 2 months. And he has now bring corruption. He has brought the corruption in the assembly, plus the leadership. Clarence, what is it there that they want to show the Kenyans that they are doing? And I want to tell Kenyans today that if we continue like this, even the election of 2022 will be the same. Even BBI they can hack and cheat us that we have not won BBI. So the process of that assembly has gone wrong. We have not voted, and we have seen the media guys. We were here with you. You've seen with your eyes what happened in the assembly. Everybody's phone was off, and apparently MCAs here have been logged in and they have been voted for. So we are telling Mutura, it is not business as usual. Yes. We will take you back to the sender. Yes. You can't bring, this is the deepest corruption in the world. Yes. Which has not been even witnessed in USA. It has been witnessed in the Nairobi County's Assembly for the first time in history. So these are the people who are logged in illegally and they were here. Among many others. We'll give the media the names. Yes. The time is short, we'll give the media the names. But we want to tell Governor Sonko, you are still the governor of the and we are going to show them. I'm a good politician and I'm a good student of Raila Amolo Odinga. If Mutura cannot recount what is done today, Mutura won't sit in that city assembly. Demonstrate. Yes. We'll do everything to bring sanity and justice. It must start with us and it will end with us. If it is ending with Mutura, it will end with Mutura, Guyo, Kados, Dateso, and Ogada. We must bring justice to Nairobi. Nairobi Assembly, Assembly,
Nico. Thank you very much. My name is Anthony Karanja, representing Waithaka Ward. And I may want to say that what has happened today in Nairobi City County Assembly is so shameful that it can even make Kenneth Matiba turn in his grave. This is not the democracy that they have actually fought for. This is not the democracy that we expect of such a vibrant and free country. We have seen in Nairobi City County Assembly today, 57 members of the County Assembly vote as if they were 90. They have actually cooked figures. They have actually used online guerrilla tactics to log in voters who are not part of us. And the reason we are here is to tell the whole world that the 57 of us have said we did not participate. 59. The 59 of us did not participate in that election. Yes. The 59 of us, we are saying Nairobi is not ready for a by-election.
Yes, this is the devolution in trial. I don't think this is why we woke up early in the morning to go and vote. This is violation of 1 million people, 1 million votes of people of Nairobi. We've let the top leadership define the kind of leaders we want, and we're here to say no to that, and we're here to say all the 62 members who are present here, they actually represent different parts of Nairobi, and we're the one who knows what exactly affects the common Wanjikom. But someone has decided to go contrary and decide what is right for the people of Nairobi. So definitely, as a leader and as a legislator of this city, this great city, I'm left with no words. You all agree with me. We saw what happened. Unless you have ghosts. Anyway, I don't want to go further. We had 57 people who were present. 58 people here. And the people who were at the assembly were 57, right? I stand corrected. There were 57. Define the future of Nairobi. Define the kind of leadership they want. And I want to say, as leaders, we've set a very bad example. I can see all these faces. They are young. We are youth. We look forward to having our great country. Our democracy is under trial. And as a youth of this nation, I say no to impunity. To intimidation. I say no to intimidation. And we stand strong. Here with me, I have names of 19 members who are present here. And they were actually logged in. And I'll read the name. And please, if I read your name, raise your hand. We have Wilson Ochola. I have Nicholas Okumu. I have Patrick Mosili. I have Jared Ondieki. Paul Shilaho. Eunice Marimbi. David Ayoi. Ruth Ndumi, Jared Okode, Elijah Mbutia, among others. So clearly, unless we have ghosts, our democracy is rigged.
Today, my only duty, my only main duty this evening is to demonstrate to you something I said earlier on. Wazungu walisema, what comes around goes around. Huyo Mutura ambaye nilitaja hapo awali, ambaye ni Mutura tamu kabisa, bado tulikuwa hatujakula, inaitwa Benson. I am demonstrating to you this evening, ladies and gentlemen, that we have collected 79 signatures so far to get rid of one Benson Motura who is our speaker. Why are we doing this? Simple reason. You have demonstrated that you are corrupt today. Yes. You have officiated over a corrupt elections against Sonko. I mean the Sonko movie. So we say this. The first order of our work when we return is immediately to continue to bring in the process of the impeachment of our speaker. Like I said earlier on, he comes 3 months ago. He has never worked with Sonko. He has no clue who Sonko is. But in his simplest little head, he believes that he is what is being said that he is. How can you do that? You say that abuse of office. Sonko has been told, and he obeys laws, our Sonko obeys laws. He was told step aside briefly, which he did. Meaning what? That he is not in the office. How does he abuse an office he is not in? Are you referring to his office in one of his bedroom at home? That he is abusing it or what? My friend, flimsy reasons you gave today, they will be proved very shortly. My final remark, Mr. Lusaka at the Senate level, do a good job, Lusaka. We trust in you. If it ever goes to that level, Bwana Lusaka, do a good job. All we ask, please, is make sure that the Senate conducts an investigation of what happened today. If we are not what we say we are, we shall lift up our hands and we shall say we are defeated. just do a simple investigation that what we say we are today, what we say the people we say we came here today, please just carry out your due diligence. If we lie that we were not 59, tutainua mkono. Tunasema hii mbele ya Mwenyezi Mungu, we are here 59 of us, none of us voted, we never left here physically, and we continue to pledge our loyalty to Honorable Sonko, yesterday, today, and tomorrow.